So hopefully the last installment of the LFS series. Really tired today. Oh, and I just realised I have to do the ping. I have to do the old ping. So red circle live. There we go. Anyone knows some cool homebrew stuff? Try and install KDE Plasma on it. Good luck. Well, anyway, installing Linux on an autonomous 3D printing device. Anyway, let's not waste too much time here. Let's get the Open Mandriva virtual machine all set up. So that if I run out, if one glass is empty, I still have one, so that I don't have to go back and forth to get more water. Anyway, so we have the Open Mandriva virtual machine. I'm going to close that, and we're going to connect to it. What was the IP address again? Oh, what? IPA. Okay, nice. What am I saying? What am I saying that for? I install Arch Linux without Arch install. Well, 168.112. No, wait, not 11. Flipping. No, 122.119. Here we go, we're in. Yep, we're alright. So, we're in. Now I'm going to have to go onto the linuxfromscratch.org. LFS, read online, stable LFS system D. And we need to go on to building LFS in stages. And we are, where are we? We're here on the book. So the MNT LFS partition must be mounted. Alright, sounds simple enough. VDB2 MNT LFS. Must be done as the root user with the LFS variable set. Okay. Export LFS MNT LFS CD LFS. There we go. I watched a 23-minute video about the lore of Purple Place. Did you know that there was a pedal game for the DS? No, I did not. I'll go check that out while we're waiting. So, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that either. There we go. So it says, well, there is. A few operations from preparing kernel file systems to entering the true root environment must be done as the root user. When entering true root, the LFS. Yep. So, how do I make a Python terminal emulator? Well, I don't know. Gonna have to look it up. Don't ask me, I just use Alacrity. When entering true root, the LFS variable must be set. The virtual file systems must be mounted. Yesterday I made an Alacrity dot file. To make a Python terminal emulator, you have to make a Python terminal emulator. Banzai, yeah, I just released a Banzai video. Anyway, a few operations from preparing virtual kernel file systems to entering the true root environment. Preparing virtual kernel file systems. Do I have to do any of this right now? No, I do not. Oh yeah, I do. I have to do some of this. Alright, done. done. Entering to root. App, we're in. Hold on, I'm gonna mount these. Oh wait, no, I did that. I'm in. So, yep, we are done. I'm a Linux user now. I use Mint. Well, welcome to the Linux community. Install Arch on the Steam Deck if you haven't done that yet. Well, I just installed Bazite on my Steam Deck, so... CD sources, CD bop. Also, sorry if you hear rain outside, it's really heavily raining. Or not, it's calmed down a little bit. Make. All right. Off camera, LFS is straight up coding. No, it isn't. It's straight up compiling code. So anyway, so in GCC, this here is where we left off, right here on stream, but I ran everything else here off camera. Install Bazite on the Aspire X1430, I'll try. I think I might have to do the desktop edition of Bazite, but I will try it on the Aspire X143. I don't even know what's on it right now. I haven't used that computer in so long. Hello 486 Tech, welcome to the stream. So we did for-lib this. BAP. If desired, install the ncurses documentation. Well, I don't desire the ncurses documentation, so I'm not going to do the documentation. Yeah, exactly. You're getting pinned because you're getting pinned. Peggle now. Well, I don't think, because this does not take too long. Yeah, see, there you go, it's done. So we're not doing Peggle right now. Me want Peggle stream. That's for later. I will give you Peggle, but that's for later. Because right now we're only dealing with 0.3 SBU, so I can literally just wait for this to do the thing. Try installing SimCity 4 on a Windows XP Virtual. Peak Peggle gameplay when, well, watch a Peggle stream. Well, this stream will about to become a Peggle stream if this takes too long. And it didn't take too long, so there's that. Now we're going to be installing whatever this program is. PS that. There we go, it's done. Also type, oh gosh, okay. Now I think this might be, make. I type it while it's, running, because with stuff like bash, it, if you run another command in a state like this when a program is not actively, looking for text input, if you just type it then press enter in a state like this, then it will just run that command after this command is done. Check. Time. theme. Let's do Peggle Nights, because why not? This is what you joined the stream for. This is Peggle. So I'm going to move this over to my other monitor so that I can see the compilation, but you can see Peggle. A free weekend? No, thank you. No, thank you. Do you remember what last OS you put on that Aspire? I don't know, actually. I'm going to need to boot it up and check. Peggle! There we go. It's lagging. Of course it is. Well, I am running a virtual machine on my main computer with the not. There we go. Yeah, I've noticed. City skylines via that weekend offer, lol. Without updating? Yeah, I think either there is no update available or I'm watching with my dog. Gosh, it's terrible. There we go. Live streaming. Steam always updates. Like, why is there so many updates? It's this one. What browser you use? I use Blorp. Not Firefox, not Opera. It's just a piece of Chinese spyware anyway. No, I use Blorp. Firefox has just become too terrible for me to use. I am a little bit sick. Get better soon. Netscape. To be honest. right back. Okay. Now I need to make install. Here it's the afternoon, lol. Here it's 3:15 in the afternoon. And it looks like the rain has pretty much stopped. There we go. Of computers using a 9x kernel. I don't know, probably less than 1. Okay. Who likes Mario games? Well, me. Although I don't use Nintendo consoles apart from homebrew stuff, so the next video will be on a Nintendo console, but I'm not saying what. My country, a YouTuber played games on a Burger King ordering screen. Florp is a new Firefox-based browser from Japan. No, Japanese! Flip. You are so... Well, not really. Well, I don't really like it. I guess I have to deal with it. My MS-DOS does not sell data to Microsoft. Yeah, it's just... Alright, getting into a little bit of a rant now, but... Just companies selling your data. Even though you may have consented to it, or you haven't consented to it, but you consented to this when you agreed to the terms of service. It's just really cheeky. My school uses Windows 7 for signage and presentation displays. Is to run fast fetch. I already have fast fetch on this LFS system, but I want to do it compiling fast fetch from source and running it. We are on our chapter, I don't even know what. We are compiling, I don't even know what. Chrome OS and Windows 10. Oh my gosh, yeah, they need to get upgrades or something. Oh yeah, well they can upgrade for free because, well, you need to buy Windows 10 keys. Windows 10 and 11 use the same keys, but now Windows 10 and 11 stopped accepting Windows 7 keys and 8 keys and 8.1 keys. Especially the Ultra Edition iPad and Captain monitor and That's great. Well, our compilation's done of Bison, whatever it is. Don't even mind. Well, it's done, so we're going to get out of Peggle main menu. Get out. There we go. We don't have Chromebooks. Yeah, well, just Chromebooks in general. They're terrible. Yeah, on chapter 8.34, grep. cd:/grep. And we've got a make check, make install. My school only got a TV. My school got a TV and I only saw it used once, and it was only showing the Raspberry Pi desktop. Yeah, Windows 8 sucks. No, it actually doesn't suck as much as you think it does, in my opinion. I see the use case for it. What? Oh, hi, 32-bit Panda. Oh, what's going on here? What? Ruined the reputation of the number 8 near Windows forever. After this, y'all should play Wales server. Heaps of fun. Here, I'll put a link in. Maybe. Well, depends on what you're talking about, really. Hi. Hey, unregistered hypercam, the Russian country ball. Alright. I am kind of stuck. I need to get... Alright, so... cd ... Do I have grep? I'm gonna move grep to grep.old. And then we're gonna... I installed Mint on my HP stream. Alright, so... Well... I need grep. GMP. LFS good? Well, not right now, because I'm having issues. Play Peggle now. No, I'm busy. I'm busy. I can't do Peggle. He just played Peggle. I'm going to do some research on... Oh gosh, we have a few. Oh, whoa. Realise it's World Water Day. Literally just realised it's World Water Day. turn that down. Alright. Ding. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, Windows is stinky. I'd be deleted message. What did he delete? Oh gosh, okay, Ubuntu. C++. Oh. Right, I'm on the okay, well, I think I missed it, so command again. Gonna look it up. Completely forgot how to use the tar command. Well, let's do this. Give it a that. Let's configure it. By hearing. I want a time machine only so I can visit Microsoft Binbos. works. Make. I am kind of scared this is not going to work. Oh my gosh, it worked. It worked. It worked, it worked, it worked. Okay, sorry about the wait. I just forgot how to use the tar command. The rain has completely stopped now. Oh my gosh, what happened to my voice? And then cd./bash. Alright, bash. Here we go. Bash, 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 bash. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to use this cleanup. Alright, just... It's Windows. Win bit. Okay, yeah, something else is wrong now. It returned error. Oh, okay. So we're gonna cd rm rf bash, and then we're gonna tar. It is bash. Oh, let's see. Let's see if this works. I just want to enable dark mode, not blind mode. Bless you. Thank you, Alloyd. And also, welcome. Now, hopefully this does not give me an error 1. There we go. Make. That a while. 968 subscribers! Thanks. Let's check. Windows activation, hee. Alright, that's drivers. Yeah, at least I don't have to compile NVIDIA drivers. I don't even use NVIDIA, I use an AMD thing. Bible. Restart level. Well, I have a website that just like an HTML file that does this, but I can only but it doesn't fit my requirements for playing Whale Tag BGM literally right now. I can set something up right now if you I do know how to. You're pegged too loud again. Oh. turn up my microphone volume. Maybe a little bit more because that's a little bit too quiet. Alright, there we go. And then we go -6 to get a good... So how's my audio levels now? How's my audio levels? Could be a bit quieter. Well, in that case, then I'm gonna lower my microphone volume ever so slightly. There we go. Pull that up. Oh, and it's done. So that's that done. Thank you, whoever just pinged me. Whale look. Okay, so I did make, oh my gosh, so make install. What is this link? Exact. I'm watching on a potato. I'm watching on an actual computer, but I can watch on something more weird if you really want me to. I can stream from something more weird if you want me to, but that would be terrible. Potato. Okay, moving on. cd // lib tool. There we go. And we're gonna make check, make install. I'm gonna remove a useless static directory. These are more than 0.5 SBU, then we're doing Peggle. So we're doing Peggle. Intel HD graphics 3000 bad. Yeah, I don't know what was wrong with grap and why it took me so long to fix it. There we go. Opinion on optical media. Do you agree with Bringus? Well, I have a little well, if you watch my Windows XP Christmas video, then you'll get my opinion, but I'll grab something. Gotta get the phone out. Well, you asked for it, so optical media bad. Face reveal at 1K, please. Oh. Well, no, I'm not doing a face reveal anytime soon. Yeah, well, optical media can be kind of bad at times because, well, you know, it's optical media. Anyway, back to Peggle. Yeah, I actually kind of, I'm not saying physical media bad, but optical media is kind of bad. exactly. I don't want a face reveal just yet. Go. Please do a face reveal. No, I'm not doing a face reveal. I already said this. Even then, look at the laptops. But don't. Yeah, no, don't. I keep getting messages from friends telling me videos. Okay, thank you, I'd like for timing out that person. Hey! Wait, how long did you time them out for? I'm actually thinking of next time I do something like this, basing it off like Arch, because then with Arch, it doesn't have that much stuff running, so in theory, more performance. It will give more performance to the compilation. So. MC Live is in @hours, guys. Alright, there we go. It's done. So that's done. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. So cd /gdbm bap. We're gonna paste. Oh, whoa. Minecraft. I actually have a server that I actually have a server. I'll show it off in a little bit, but 0.1 SBU, so we can just wait for this to be done. Make install. There we go. It's done right now. cd /gp make. So oh yeah, that was easy. expat. So my rule with Peggle is make. My rule with Peggle is to exactly. So we mc.whaletear.ch here. It's running on the Think Center, if anyone's wondering. So I am self-hosting this. I'm not using a hosting provider, and I'm also not Linodifying it. Okay, bye, odd bike. Bye. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Show you something. Off of the LFS media and use just run fast fetch. No, compile fast fetch from source and then run fast fetch. Oh, you're doing the compile fast fetch and run fast fetch from source. Well, just for fun, really, I got the binary version of fast fetch. Yeah. Batch screenshot. Or not screenshot, but it's the alphabet. Yeah, I can tell. So anyway, we have 40 views. How much watch time do I have so far? 7.7 hours. How much watch time do I have on the Bazite video? 18.3, so it needs a little bit, fine. Oh, we just did make check. Go back on my live subscribe account, make install, and then move the program to the proper location. And there we go. Now it's time for LFS. LFS 668. Copy paste fail. Wait, did you actually? Need to check. Enter right now, and we're just gonna Do you play Roblox? No, I don't play Roblox anymore. Alright, well, I'm gonna... terminal. Joining in. Really bothered about the Minecraft server for right now. NT Whistler here. Well, welcome. Also, I can tell you're NT Whistler because yeah. So how's this going? Oh, the flip just pinged me. No, right, Colonel, no. Oh my goodness, I got chased by 3 zombies. And we are, we've already gone through 13. Is angry. How's the last stream done? How has the last stream? No, that's this stream. How is part 3? We have gotten 34.7, so yeah. There we go. Test. Also, next stream I'm doing Gen 2, for anyone wondering. We're just gonna run this right now, and well, you know what that means. Peggle time. Before I block right now because I'm compiling. Is if the estimated build time is over 0.5 SBU, then I'll do Peggle while I wait. If not, I'll just wait it out and talk to you. How long have I been going for? Exactly an hour. Minecraft. Maybe. Maybe if we're on a bit of a longer, a little bit of a longer wait, then we're gonna do Minecraft instead of Peggle. If not, we'll definitely do Minecraft at the end of the stream if we have time. We are doing a game too, well. What do we have next? Curious, what happens if we put a Peggle Deluxe save file on Peggle Nights? Thank you very much. Completely gone silent. Terrible I have a recording of pretty much everything. Alright, XML. The camera. Okay, bye, unregistered hypercam. Prepare it. Make test. Make install. There we go. Easy. CD INT. There we go. We are flying through these. There we go. Autoconf. Autoconf. Make check. Bro, you can call me a stinky Ubuntu user. Well, you are a stinky Ubuntu user. Bro, you can call me an stinky Ubuntu user again. I'm recording the stream with a camera. I don't know what they're doing. They have literally zero idea what they're doing. It's just ridiculous. And Ubuntu. Canonical. I don't really like Canonical as a company. Neither do a lot of people. Ubuntu is just slowly starting to become more hated as we speak. So how's the subscriber count? Still at 968. How's everything in here? Oh, we have a new member. Okay. Canonical made Linux closed source. Really? Well, Canonical made Ubuntu closed source. That seems... Well, Canonical made Ubuntu closed source. That seems like the thing they will do. But then what will happen to like Linux Mint, Tuxedo OS, and all the other things based on Ubuntu? Well, Linux Mint already has that figured out. LMDE exists. But they seem to have based it on Debian Stable instead of Debian SID for some reason. Based on SID, so yeah, it just makes no sense why they wouldn't do that as well. Ubuntu source code. Ubuntu GitHub. Alright, Ubuntu GitHub. What is this? Just saw a Quora thread and I wanted to see. Find you revolt or whatever it's. Did you? Let's see. Oh wait, no, that's not the right app. Revolt. Revolt. Oh yeah, there we go. So welcome to the. Z. Just Z. GNOME boxes. Why does Ubuntu have GNOME boxes? Oh, it's a snap. Oh. It's taking too long, so you know what that means. Bible. I think it's actually gone to sleep. The virtual machine. So I'm going to load up Virtual Machine Manager. I'm going to bring it back up. Oh yeah, see now it's Alright, let's just do some Open Mandriva stuff. So we need power management. Automatically. Yeah, do nothing, so it's not. Can I do power management? I don't think their estimate of 0.4 SBU was correct. Especially because I'm doing this on a very slow computer. Okay, finally it's done. Well, let's finish this round of Peggle. Just to, you know, give the computer a break. Never mind. Hey, something that's close source is still a way to get the code from the applications. You can decompile, but it's generally not really that easy. It takes years to decompile. Decompile. Alright, make install. We've done make install, so now let's move on to auto make. Auto make. Now let's prepare auto make. Make. We're gonna go back to putting that over there, and we're just gonna load up Minecraft and fetching the Minecraft profile. Well, I'm gonna move that out of the way. Make. Why did it just crash? Oh. Kill. Not killing it, it's right here. Alright, well. Long time due to me doing, okay, well we have, let's join. How's the performance gonna be? Oh my gosh, the performance is terrible. Alright, I'm turning off shaders. I am turning off shaders because this is not stuff in chat. I'm turning off shaders because shaders disabled. And also turning my render distance down. Oh yeah, we have a little bit of lag spikes, but he joined. And anyway, yeah, I joined. I'm in. So we have a little... Why is there so much iron? I don't even have coal. Oh my gosh, this is even taking forever right now. So I'm gonna lower the distance again. I'm gonna turn that down, gonna turn that down. And I'm gonna put it in a small... I guess I have charcoal. Alright, well that is slightly better. Although there is a little bit of lag. There are, can you please give me the coordinates? There we go, thank you. So I'm gonna head there. Well, I am like 2,000 blocks away, so... No, even more, like... 2,500 blocks away, so... Anyway, chords. Minus 111. Oh gosh, it's gonna be really long to get to. But there are mobs, beware. Should probably grab a bed with me. Probably take a bed. Coal, finally. Yeah, we have some lag spikes here, but it's fine. I'm gonna take a bed with me just in case. Well, I do have iron, armor, and I do have some tools and stuff. I'm gonna put my axe on. There we go. I'm on a tower since I have no house. We're still doing the checks for auto make or whatever it was. Do you want to sleep or something? I am back. Well, welcome back, Oddbike. We're doing Minecraft. Some people were saying that I should do Minecraft on the stream. You on the server? Yeah, I'm on my server. Well, and also there might be a little bit of a performance hit. Well, yeah, I'm running a check in the background. So, oh gosh. I am running make check in the background in the LFS. I can't join right now. Oh, pig. What is free cam? Or is it like a free camera thing? Well, there's really, I did say basic client-side mods are allowed, but, oh my gosh, I am actually probably gonna head back, because yeah, I lost my spawn point. Oh gosh, there's an Enderman. Gotta not look at it. Free on mod, custom camera position. Yeah, sure, that's fine. As long as it doesn't change any part of the gameplay, then it's alright. Ow. Just gonna eat rotten flesh because I can. Even though I have pork chop. It's fine. Oh my. Thanks for the Also, I'm not using a mod for this. This is just I can do this. It's really precise, but I can. I'm going to set my spawn back. I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to close off Minecraft because yeah, you should install Optimize for like an hour, 20 minutes. Let's do some Peggle. Let's do more Peggle because it's a little bit of a lighter game. And I'll play on the Minecraft server a little bit later. Oh no, yeah, I should have clicked restart because this is a terrible position to be. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is terrible. Try my best. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted to do. There Probably next week. If I finish LFS, then next week. We are well, I think I need to this Tula. I'm already starting to get kind of tired. Playing Peggle and waiting and yeah. LFS is really time consuming. Last I flower thing. Completely and utterly useless. Good. That woke me up a little bit. Duolingo. Just I have a joke, okay? Dumbass. Nice. CPU architecture for Arch. Oh. But I'm not gonna say it. Welcome, I am Okay. We're doing Peggle while we wait upgrades for these checks to complete, which are taking way too long, it feels like. Right now, actually, that reminded me to check. Still on 968. Oh, no. I'm a sub on my alt account, thanks. I broke a screen. What, like an actual monitor screen? This is tasty. Fiberglass is even more tasty. What am I even saying? Okay, well, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this to do its thing. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go for like 2 minutes and I'll be right back. just gonna continue this for a little bit, and then I'll go on my, and then I'll have a snack or something, because make what pretzel twists are my go-to? Now that's doing its thing. I'm gonna actually go pretty much right now. Back from my little snack break. Oh great, it's time to do checks again. Same here, still why, okay, I gotta go again. Wonder when I will be mod here in YouTube. Well, hello, Kernel? No, I'm not compiling kernel. I am compiling kernel now. Oh, didn't I already compile the kernel? To compile was GCC, and we've already done GCC. Now it's just a ton of the smaller stuff that we need. Oh my gosh. In fact, do we even need to do the checks? Are the checks mandatory? I just skip them to save time. Here, once I beat this level of Peggle, I'll make a decision. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Let's check here. Yeah, it's stuck. I'm going to cancel that and I'm just going to make install for now. Which is good. Make. Well, that's that cup of water. So once this finishes, Python's done. And the next thing is less than 0.1 SPU, which is good. On this. Yeah, I've got a poll in chat, which is completely dead. Should I do a part 5 if this takes too long? I have a poll on, so oh, we already have 2 votes for yes. Alright then, I'll leave that poll to do the poll thing. And in the meantime, we'll just play Peggle. 3 2 bowls left. Well, I have there we go. And go. Oh yeah, I have another one. Right, so it took me 2 hours to use 1 cup of water. Oh yeah, the good old fever level. What is going on outside? Which is the longest thing. So now it's just all smaller stuff. And also because I am doing this in a virtual machine, if I were to do this on real hardware, then it would probably take a lot less time. Alright, well we have gonna end that. Alright. How's subscriber count? 971 still. Okay. I'm only 29 away from 1,000, I just realised. Dead right now. Just lost my thing. If I can do windowed pegels, then that would be. It's a lot. In a window, then it's 512 megabytes of RAM enough for basic things. Depends on what you depends on. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Depends on what you classify as basic things. Hello, user. The numbers, Windows and Linux stuff. I'm actually going to unpin the. In fact, I'm going to keep it on Peggle, and I'm going to look at my phone and do messages on my phone. Actually, I could bring out another computer and log into my YouTube account. I'm going to do it on a much faster system. Also, I removed all the telemetry on Ubuntu, and now it doesn't look like Ubuntu anymore. It looks closer to Mint. Well, the fact that you're still using Ubuntu just still counts as Ubuntu. into my Google account. I can, and also get my Google account password. A bit warden or something on my phone so that you can't see. There we go. Alright. It's a really hard password. It showed up that I was logging in on Windows, but I'm not. I'm logging in on Linux. And it put it on Wales Extras. I don't want it on Wales Extras, I want it on my main channel. Alright, content. Live. Because, yeah, there we go. Live chat. Where should I even put? Alright, well that's done. And I've been going for 2 hours now, so hopefully in around like half an hour, or maybe closer to an hour, I will finish LFS. If not, then I'll do a part 5. Get out Peggle and bring this back here. Nope. No, wait, no, go back, go back. No, 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 no. And paste pip 3. Pip 3. Oh no. Back once again. Welcome back. I need to do Python. Well, it's if desired, so it's fine. I don't have to do that. .55. We finished on 8.29 last time. But that was with GCC, so with 46 SBU GCC. I have another cup of water. Might as well just drink. How many bones I can have in the server? I have a couple, but I'm not really going to. I'm not really going to join Minecraft right now. There we go. And next. Yeah, Python's fun. Python's fun, especially when we go through it this quick. Kmod 34. Ninja. Ball. There we go. Core. Check. Now I prepare core utils for compilation. MC Live has started. I might as well just use OpenMandriva just right now. Well, I mean, I am going to reinstall OpenMandriva. So yeah, we have ungoogled Chromium. Yeah, ungoogled Chromium. So yeah, we can go into my channel. Like the Minecraft live stream. Or is it, do I need to enable something? Ah, there we go. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Something went wrong. Well, I'm going to need to get that back. Right, well, we need to build LFS in stages again. The MNT LFS partition must be mounted. I just need to enter to root. No. Oh yeah, that's not how you do. Oh. N sources core utils. Accidentally closed the thing. There we go. Doing, but you should install. Oh yeah, that project. That project. You know the one. Not gonna say it, but the one where if you type in a wrong command, it will. So you know when you type in a wrong command, Bash will normally just correct it for you. Well, the project, when you type a command that's even remotely wrong, it will just run rmrf root. Yeah. Now I think that's just a little add-on to like Debian or something. So I can literally do that right now. Why was timed out? Why? What? Hold on, I'm gonna have to speak to. Don't know what you did. I'm gonna have to go, and I'm gonna have to get this explained. I don't know why this is timed out. Odd Bike, you should be back. You should be able to chat again. Who timed out who for why? Oh, well, a mod timed you out because apparently of blank Linux. You know, the thing that runs RMRF? Yeah, that. I think that's why she timed you out. Brother. Anyway, look, I'm gonna have to go and get this sorted. Be right back. Everything sorted. Back. I'm not even gonna do tests because I don't really have the time for that. I'm only gonna do tests if I really need to. out weird. Well, I think, yeah, I am good. Yeah, I put you in timeout for 10 seconds just to override your however long she put, because I don't know how long she put, like 10 minutes? I don't know. Well, you're back now. What? Oh, okay. Tar xf diff utils cd diff utils, and we paste that in. Yeah, this stream is pretty... Ayo, I thought he ended the live, but he's still grinding. Yeah, this is way too early for me to end. I still have like 15-30 minutes. What's happening? Phone? Did anyone... Oh, we have DM. We're not DM. Alright, now make. Hopefully this works this time. We're on a this shouldn't take too long. I have done... I'm thinking of going to 3 hours if I can. Package. I guess I'm gonna go get specs now. Get blurry for me after a certain distance. Yes, same really. It's not I can see stuff, but it's just words and stuff I can't read. My autocorrect changed LFS to just not bothered. And I need there we go. Oh, arrow 1, arrow 2. All right. Do we get options to choose between Debian and Arch when we do LFS? No, LFS is the Linux distro. I don't think you get what LFS is. Bad chicken wings. Hell. Right, cd ... Oh my gosh, VF cd ... /graph In the United States, our paper size. Okay. A4. Well, LFS eating time, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna... If I could, I would actually make LFS auto-correct to KFC, and KFC automatically correct to LFS. That would be funny. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Not even bothered with checks, to be honest. Oh, we're doing grub. Grub. Alright, let's read this. If your system has UEFI support and you wish to boot LFS with UEFI, you need to install grub with UE. By installing, you may skip this package or install this package under BLFS package. Grub for UEFI package without conflict. The BLFS. I'm going to follow this instruction then. Installation of grub. Skip the remaining instructions in this section. Now, if you skipped the LFS grub package, which I have, as the root user, install grub and skip the remaining instructions. Alright, so skip this. Count. Oh, 972. That's kind of nice. Alright, well. Studio. Right, there we go. Now. And then, should I just set up grub right now? And then we can... And then I don't have to deal with grub later. I'm gonna see if... Does it say in here what to do? There we go. And what's this Linux? I think I might have to do a shorter part 5. I think I might have to. And I did say hopefully we will finish chapter 8. So this is when grub rescue will scare you. And you did say hopefully grub rescue won't be involved. Part of the package. We're on 972 subscribers. How do you have so many spectral arrows? Oh, I was trading with piglins. Install the package. If desired, install the documentation. No. We need to patch this. Now we need to remove. I have gained 4 subscribers from this stream, which is kind of cool. Make install. So what is this? Lib pipeline. Lib pipeline. Oh yeah, this will be easy. Again. We're making make again. Making make again. Make. We're not gonna test, as I don't feel we need to. If you type make love, it's gonna say no. Make. No rule to make target install. Stop. We're going to do the checks on this one. Drag on for a little bit longer than it should do, but we're going to finish chapter 8 in this stream, and I know it. Oh. Make. Done with the stream. We just have 14 more of these to do, which should not take that long. Oh wait, no, wait, we're not making make again. We've done make. We're still on 972. If we actually hit 1,000 in the stream, or in next week's stream, then I will be genuinely safe configuration. I just joined. Are you suffering? Kind of. Not really, but kind of suffering. I have to take this away from myself. There we go. And also clean up my little area. Just gonna tidy up my little area, because it's a little bit of a mess right now. There we go. Alright, we forced the unsafe mode. Turn on keep inventory. Oh, thank you so much. Oh yeah, I think I did. Should I keep inventory on? I think you're gonna say yes to that. Tax info. Oh yeah, 0.3 SBU. I can make check, make install. Oh wait, no. Configure. Make. Do checks. I'm not even going to do checks because I don't want this to take forever. I am not going to do Vim. I'm going to pull this up. Because I just prefer Nano. Nano. Besides, it will save a lot of time. Just as a text editor, I do not really like Vim that much. Lens. Well, kill them. Do you know what? I'm not even going to do a nano config. I'm going to go next. Yeah, that probably saved a lot of time not doing Vim. Well, what music do you use in your videos? Well, I use music in the Whale Tech BGM folder, which contains all of this. I can send a list of all the song files, and I use get out of that. I don't think I can because it will probably might be copywritten. Well, it is Nintendo music, so I should be fine, but I'll consider it. Once I get everything done properly, then I'll do it. Ninja. I want to start using Vim. I know it's not that hard, but I'm good with Nano. Yes, I use Micro as my main text editor. Micro. See, I use Micro as my text editor, and it's really good. I recommend it. 9 out of 10. Piece of cannot spell. Yeah, 9 out of 10 piece of software. kinda nice. So I can actually see how long this is going to take. Alright, well, we are a little bit over schedule here, but I would like to drag this on for slightly longer. Anyway, just to confirm that we will finish chapter 8. I will try it. Is it available in Arch? Yeah, you can just sudo pacman-s micro and boom, you now have micro. It has really intuitive keyboard shortcuts. Like the standard keyboard shortcuts, Control C, Control V, Control Q, and it's just a great text editor. People are saying that I should be using Helix, and Helix, I tried Helix, but it's it just looks like micro, and the command, it's Vim-like. If you want a Vim-like text editor, but you don't want Vim, I would try how do you install Pacman Package Manager? So you install Pacman by literally just installing Arch, and boom, you now have Pacman. And we're gonna just run the test, because actually I'm not gonna run the test, I'm just gonna do that. Ninja install. Oh, there we go. Install the man pages. No. Oh, no. Our etc os release. Then we put that in there. Then we make sure this is copied. Paste it in. Paste it in. Dbus. 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 D. D. Bus. Per dbus for compilation. There we go. Ninja. Right, this is a pretty small one, so we're fine. There we go. And Ninja test. This shouldn't take that long. There we go. It's done. Ninja install. Back. ManDB. I'm gonna skip this. R proc. There we go. The test suite. I'm gonna run the test suite. Sweet. Is the root user. Welcome back, unregistered hypercam, the Russian country bot. Next, we are almost done. Alright, 2.4 SBU on a spinning disk, 0.5 SBU on an SSD. It's probably going to be around SBU, but that's going to be tests. But that's including tests, which I'm not going to do. We are almost done with chapter 8, everybody. Debugging symbols. Back. Symbols. Most programs and libraries are by default compiled with debugging symbols included with GCC's G option. Debugging symbols. This section is optional. Whatchamacallit, debug symbol things. Oh yeah. Up. With chapter 8, everybody. In fact, do you know what? We could probably do chapter 9 as well. In fact, let's do a start of chapter 9. Network device warning. UDEB normally assigns network card. Alright. In fact, do you know what? RMRF ETC system the network 99 default.link. Static IP configuration. I don't want to do a static IP configuration. I just want to use DHCP. There we go. Creating the ETC resolve. Into etcresolve.conf. Okay. Oh, wait a minute, I could just go into nano. Right, yeah, nano. So nano /etc resolve.conf. And I'm going to pull up a new terminal and use resolve.conf on my, and just use resolve.conf on my main system. Or actually, domain, your domain name. Alright, my domain name is home. IP address will be a primary name server. Alright, sounds simple enough. So this will be configuring the system host name. So nano etc host name, and it will be Linux from scratch. Exit, yes. 2. managing devices. We're almost done. We're almost done. I don't want to deal with that. UTC. Yes, there we go. No, that's fine. Configuring the Linux console. Alright, configuring the system locale. There should be ENGB. Nope. Nope. Input RC. Cute. I have no idea what I'm doing. Chapter 9 as well. Gosh. Should I do chapter 10 right now? Or should I save that for like a really short stream? Chapter 10. So we're going to do chapter 10. Introduction. It's time to make the LFS system bootable. Nice. There. VDB 2. XT4. VDB 3. folks, we're doing the kernel. Oh, hello, I'm Cutie Pie, the video editor 2021. We are finishing up the stream now. Once we're done with this, we're finishing this up. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Ah. Hey, it's blue. It's blue. All set up. I'm gonna maximize this so that I can see and actually follow. E. B. PC. ME. Memory technology. It's gonna take forever. Do you know what? I'm not even gonna bother. I'm not even gonna bother. Alright, time to make. While it's taking forever, play Peggle. Alright, well I've been live for 3 hours now, pretty much. Pretty much when the clock in the top side live for alright, when that clock hits there we go, I've been live for 3 hours. And it just ticked 3 hours on OBS. So hopefully this doesn't take too long. And hopefully I don't have to go for too much longer because I actually, I'm on a little bit of a time crunch. Your master copies of your string. I don't know, actually. So far, right now in OBS is, as an MKV, 1.3 gigabytes of a 3-hour video. I can literally go to the end. Is, as an MKV, 1.3 gigabytes of a 3-hour video. And this is the stream right now. I can literally go there we go. So that is the stream. Gonna have to go into advanced audio properties and 1.3 gigabytes. Close out of OBS. Oops, like VLC. So yeah, they're around this one. Yeah, they're around under 2 gigabytes. So when I record, it's like 4 gigs per 10 minutes on 1080p 60. Well, I put it on, well, I don't put my OBS on, like, indistinguishable quality or anything. I put it on, yeah, see, I put high quality medium file size. I record in Opus, and I use software encoding, because I can't do hardware encoding for some reason. Ping. We're good. We're fine in terms of, I think we're just running make. Oh, gosh. Where did I put my phone? Thank you, whoever just did that. If you... Yo, I'm back. Welcome back, Weird Video Gamer. I'm actually not suffering. Yes, this is actually kind of fun. This is actually kind of fun. I'm gonna do a video of installing Arch Linux via Minecraft. Okay, don't know how you would do that though, but live. Let's check my watch time because I've been on for 3 hours now. Since uploaded lifetime. Oh no, since published. 23.4 right now. Me a web browser, then installing no VNC, then installing that's could be a good video idea. People like Minecraft. People like Arch. Oh no. Gotta get the laptop over here for this. Okay. Let's check here. So let's check the H top. Oh yeah, take a look at that. Yeah, this is probably because I'm doing it in a virtual machine. What can I quit to save on resources? I'm gonna quit Steam. I am watching on an iPad. I'm gonna run a poll right now because I am over should I stop? Start poll. Should I stop? Should I stop streaming? Should I end the stream? In fact, I'm gonna end the poll. I'm gonna word that a little bit better. I'm gonna end the poll and I'm gonna make a new poll. Should I end the stream now? Yes or no? Start poll. There we go. That's worded a little bit better. We already got a no. Alright. I am not using a separate /boot partition. Alright, using grub. Alright, well, Grub Rescue is involved right now. I just made Grub Rescue. EFI bootloader ID equals Linux from scratch. Like an EFI part. Wait, what? Mounted? Did I mount it? I don't think I mounted it. LSBLK. Mounted. Oh wait, no. Mounted. Now we can try this again. Bap. Error. EFI boot manager not found. Okay then, I'm gonna need to get EFI boot manager now. Alright, well, I need EFI Boot Manager. EFI Boot Manager. No? Alright, then I guess I'm just going to try and find this. BLFS and see if I can find anything. EFI Boot Manager. Oh yeah, I need to wget from here. Wget EFI Boot Manager. I'm also gonna get EFI var. Alright, we're gonna do EFI var. Nope. And we also need pop T. We're going to first install pop T and then EFI bar. Alright, this will take not long. EFI bar. Mandoc, command not found. -rf, and then we tar This is gonna fail. Yep, it failed. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm the literal wrong thing. It's complete sense. There we go. There we go, I installed it. Find this whole command. What? A bit of looking this up. Are not supported. Do you know what? I'm gonna use the is this enabled? Finished, no error reported. Alright then. Oh my gosh. End. The end. Well done, the new LFS system is installed. Gosh. Done. Get counted. Do you want to be counted as an LFS user? No! Oh. LFS, LFS, LFS. Log out. Then unmount the virtual file systems. There we go. Busy. Target is busy. I'm not even going to unmount this. Now reboot the system. Okay. Working. Not working. Ah. Yippee, congrats. Can you upload your image to archive.org? Well, it's not booting, so there's that. I'm going to need to do some troubleshooting off camera. But for now, this is the end of the stream. I dragged this on for a lot longer than I was supposed to, like by an hour. But we finished the LFS book, and now I'm going to need to do some troubleshooting. So if you enjoyed this stream, leave a like. This is the last installment in the LFS series. I will not be doing any more streams on this. So yeah, if you enjoyed the stream, leave a like. You already know what to do, and I'm going to click the end stream button. I should probably do that on OBS. Oh, come on. There we go. So yeah, I will see you on next time I upload a video. Bye.